With only one software, you can make $600 for free. Doesn't that sound great? This app will compensate you with $600, and it's accessible on both iOS and Android, and downloading them is completely free. I'm also going to show you two other apps in this video that have nothing to do with the third one. The first two apps will just pay you to install them. So the first two apps are basically going to help you get some passive money for free because all you have to do is install them. So I'm going to show you two apps, and then I'm going to show you the third app, and that will pay you $600 for free. But before we dive deeper, welcome to Money Making Lorraine, where I will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Going back to the video, you must first create and have your own PayPal account before proceeding to the website. So just go to paypal.com and sign up for a completely free account by clicking this link. Simply fill out the required information and log in to your PayPal account. If you don't want to use that option or do so, you can open your own bank account online by searching for "online bank account in my country" right on Google, and then sign up for a completely free account. With that being said, I'm going to get right into my computer to explain everything. But before I show the application that will pay you $600 for basically nothing, I'd like to show you a few more different applications that will also pay you to do practically nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone. After that, you can concentrate on the last topic that I'm about to show you, where you can earn over $600 for free. By then, you'll have these two apps giving you a passive income for free. Yes, these first two apps will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them, and then I'll show you the third app, which will pay you $600 for free. Moneysmsapp.com is the first site we're going to use. This is their official website, but we'll just install the app directly onto a smartphone device. Basically, how this works is that it's a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving text messages generated by the system, and all you have to do is download it to your smartphone device, create an account, and it will send you some random messages. You don't have to reply to those messages. They literally have no value. They are simply numbers, and you can delete them as soon as you receive them, but you will still get paid for each and every SMS that you receive. So no work is required. All you have to do is sign up for this app, and every day they'll give you fresh text messages, and you'll be paid for each message, as I mentioned. So basically, you can come work here and read more about how it works. But keep an eye on the next website, because this one is exclusively for Android. The sites function on both iOS and Android, but this one unfortunately only works on Android. So if you don't have an Android device, you won't be able to make any money with this one. And by the way, I will leave all the links to these websites down in the description below, so just click those links and follow along. This is how secure their app is, because it does not read any of your data, including private messages. And it only reads their own SMS, so they will not steal or read your messages. I've done a lot of research on this app, and people are really happy with the amount of money they're making with it. And they're really happy with how the system works, because as you can see, it's completely automated. You can earn money with the app without having to do anything. And they also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referral's earnings. If you refer a friend to this app and they sign up, once they start making money for $100, you'll get $30 for free, completely passively for the rest of your life. You'll be generating passive income from them, so sure, there's many different methods to produce passive revenue with this. This SMS app is completely free, and you will never have to pay for it. So basically, sign up for automatic text messages and get paid for free. Here are some images of how the dashboard and app appears. I'm going to install the app, and this is how it'll look. This is your referral code, which you may give to your friends and family. You may also share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You can share it on various Facebook groups about making money online, telling them that they can make passive income from the app, and then sending them your referral links so that you can continue to get passive revenue from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of good features. Is this a scam or legit? If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you may check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website right here. They take all necessary measures to guarantee that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy regulations. You can learn more about them on this website, and you can see that people are making money from it. As I said, I've done a lot of research, and this website works. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now let's return to the video. The next step, which you may use to get some free passive income, is called Cashmagnet.com. Obviously, the app name is just a cash magnet itself, and you install it on your Android phone. Again, this only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android, and I'll give you something for free at the end, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. So as you can see, you basically don't have to do anything because Cashmagnet combines all the top reward programs you want to play. This one is going to pay you a lot more than the Moneysmsapp. You don't have to do anything, just watch advertisements or play games, and earnings will come while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you do on a daily basis. Just do that every day and you'll still get paid for just installing this application and leaving your phone. So expect to earn several times more after only a few months of working the Cashmagnet. And you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is how tens of thousands of their happy customers do it. So you can practically get a new phone to double your money, and it is completely safe. And they guarantee that your data and personal preferences will not be used in any way. Again, all of these apps are completely free, so there's no need to pay for anything. Now, the last app we'll be using is this one right here. In a moment, I'll tell you the name of the app. However, this one will pay you $600, allowing you to make up to $600 simply by listening to music. All you have to do is download this app on either iOS or Android. This is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, so there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS, because this one works for both sides, and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Install the application, listen to music to gain additional points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. So basically, you're getting paid to listen to music in your free time. So you can browse and play from over 100,000 radio stations and listen to your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. So you don't have to listen to some random music from SoundCloud that you don't even like. You can actually listen to music that you enjoy and still get paid for it. I'm sure all of you already listen to music every day, right? Now you can get paid for doing that, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more. So basically, you're getting paid to listen to music in your free time. As you can see, this app is available in many countries, and you can download it to your smartphone device and start earning money right away, as I previously stated. This app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Current.us is the name of the app. So this is the website's name, and this is the logo, which should look like this. Simply look for the current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about it. And that's it for today. If you love similar content like this one, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.